Hey, welcome to day one of me trying to build in public for this tool. This is a web audit tool. My desire is that eventually this will be a tool where I can drop in your URL. It'll crawl your whole site. It will give you feedback on your SEO, your marketing copy, your design, etc., and potentially have some additional pieces for vibe coders to give you suggested prompts for how you can fix problems that it identifies. For the MVP, it's just focused on landing pages. So it looks at a single page and gives you feedback on that page. So today I set up just this basic form here. It's got a little bit of regets. So if I put in hello world, I did error. Whereas if I put in google.com, now it works. Okay. And so this is working on Puppeteer. I'm running it locally. So if I put in google.com and hit start, you will see Puppeteer open up right here, and then takes a screenshot, and that screenshot is going to be used to then do the analysis with AI in the future. So that gets saved. So if I come over here, you can see it right there. Okay. The biggest problem that I ran into today is if I have a site like this, speaking of me, a lot of the content of this site comes in as animations. I'll show you in a second. But because of that, when you take the initial screen grab, most of the content isn't actually loaded in. So real quick, if I go to speaking of me, load, most of this content loads in as I scroll. You're not really seeing those animations a ton, but basically because it's coming in as I scroll, if you just take a screen grab of it when it first loads, that content isn't there. And so I need a way for the AI to actually see the content. Right now, the way that I have it working is that it just jumps down to the bottom and then takes the screenshot. The problem is that in an area like this, where the content fades in, but then fades out after scrolling past, now I can't see that content. That isn't something that's super common. Most sites just fade in on scroll and don't fade out, but it's still something that I'd like to figure out how to avoid in the future. I'm thinking about maybe trying to stitch things together, maybe try to do a video analysis, but that seems like that would increase the complexity substantially and potentially also the build for using AI. So anyways, this is working all right. It's capturing most of the screen and it would work for most sites. So that's what I have so far for day one. And tomorrow I'm going to be actually integrating some AI, trying to work on getting some basic SEO and analysis as well as some design analysis.